Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for April 19th to May 2nd. We're going to look at the period from April 18th to 22nd. And you can see we're starting to have a little bit of blocking occurring here across the North Atlantic. And we also have this ridge that remains over the Gulf of Alaska. In between, we have this upper low or part of the polar vortex sitting over Hudson Bay that extend with a trough here down into the east central states. Models a good agreement. So within this period, we're going to have a complex upper level system from the eastern Pacific that is forecast to track across the southwest and the southern Rockies this weekend. And this will bring rain and probably high elevation snows. And as it reaches the south, the start of next week, you can see here it'll cause rain and heavy rain and showers and thunderstorms as it encounters a moist flow from the Gulf. And this is again an area that doesn't need any more rain, and this will cause flooding concerns. Then the next closed low will reach the west coast early next week. Doesn't seem to stop. Here's our first system here with the heavy rainfall occurring across the south. GFS European. And then we'll have the next one reach the region, and then this will reach the southern plains and the lower Mississippi Valley by next Tuesday. And this will bring another threat, a heavy rain. And this will probably, I don't want to say definite, but it'll cause more flooding concerns because how much rain could this area take? So that's how it looks for this period. We're going to also have, let me go back here a little bit. We're going to have this system here in the east. This is Friday, and then it moves up the coast Saturday night. And there could be snow in the interior northeast, rain elsewhere. And then it moves out. And then we have another system that forms off the southeast coast. And this looks like to stay further to the south. Okay, we're going to look at the period for April 23rd to 27th. And the flow flattens as the east central trough lifts to the north, followed by rising heights with near to above normal temperature, with near to above normal heights across much of the nation. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are here, with the anomalies of 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this region. Probability of occurrence is 45%, especially across here. This would be about 35%. And we have above normal precipitation here. And I don't know if you can see there's a difference in the green, but generally forecasting the probability of above normal precipitation for the southeast to be about 45% and 35% elsewhere. Looking at the period for April 28th to May 2nd, and the flow continues to flatten. Models show some differences in the flattening, the rate and speed, but overall, we see a flattening of the flow to more of a zonal flow. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast here. Forecasting anomalies be about 2 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And we have a probability of 40% of above normal precipitation for this region. So that's it for now. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for April 19th to May 2nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.